Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to add or change profile picture on Kraken application using your smartphone. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, launch open the Kraken application on your device and log into your account. After you're signed into your Kraken account's homepage, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon or the name initial. On the next page, tap on your name at the top and then click on the pencil button right underneath your initial or your profile picture to change it. Now, you can take a photo from your device's camera. Tap on Take a Photo and click a picture right away. If you want to upload an existing picture, tap on Choose from Library and select the image. After selecting a photo, you can go ahead and resize your photo within the frame and click Continue. Soon after you do that, you will be able to add or change your profile picture on Kraken. Go ahead and restart your application for the change to take effect. So that's how you easily change or add a profile picture on your Kraken application using your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.